Start a print-on-demand dropshipping business can be overwhelming at first, because you can see a ton of courses, videos about it. Surfing and watching a lot make you feel tired? Don't worry, guy. I will walk you through the easiest, cheapest, and most effective way to start print-on-demand business from scratch with no money and following. Basically, print-on-demand is an e-commerce business model that costs from no to a little money at first, and you can start from anywhere you want. Now, come with. How does print-on-demand work? First, you design an artwork. It could be t-shirt, cup, hoodie, or any printed products. Then your customer will come and place order through your store. From this step, a print-and-demand company will help you all, and you keep profit. They receive order, print product, and ship to your customers. Everyone choose this model cause it can start from $0, no inventory commitment, and a secret that no gurus tell you before print-on-demand's less saturated than dropshipping. And the truth I want to tell you, that key factor to the success in print-on-demand is building following. You have top number of follow your king. You can't just list a product and expect it to sell without any effort to promote it and reach potential customers. But I know a secret way to build print-on-demand business without following. Yup, that it no need following anymore. So let's check it out. Wait. Where are you going?
I can see a lot of artwork on the internet, so why we need to design one. Just hit the button Save As. You see?
And it's your time to close your store right now. One thing that I have to highlight to you, that don't ever think copy design, because you maybe put yourself in a copyright issue, so create original designs to avoid any issues and stand out from the competition. All right, let's get this done. To design artwork that actually sells on print on demand, you gotta think like your customer. What's hot right now? What kind of designs are folks rocking on their tees and mugs? Tap into trending topics, pop culture, and good old-fashioned humor. Keep it simple, bold, and eye-catching. Something that screams, "Buy me," from across the internet. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and colors, but always make sure your design is high quality and easy to reproduce on a variety of products. And hey, don't forget to check those copyrights. You want your designs to be original and unique, not land you in any legal trouble. To create winning t-shirt designs, ditch the random ideas and zone in on specific niches. Think passionate hobbies like gardening or dog breeding, or maybe target folks with cool jobs like firefighters or nurses. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm niche lists and catchy slogans that'll resonate with those crowds. Before you go all in, do your homework with merchant words to see what's trending and how much competition you'll face. The sweet spot is high demand and low competition. That's where the money's at. Once you've got your niche nailed down, head over to placeit.net. They've got tons of ready-to-go t-shirt templates that are totally copyright-free, and it's super easy to use for about $10 a month. Keep your designs clean and simple, focusing on text or a combo of text and graphics. Those tend to be the real money makers. Remember, less is often more when it comes to print on demand. When you already has design, move on with create your own online store. Forget those old time-consuming methods. There's a faster, easier way to get started. Just head down to the video description and click that first link, the one that says Shopify Best Deal. That'll take you straight to the Shopify free trial page. Easy peasy, right? From there, just pop in your info and hit next. Not sure what you want to sell yet? No worries, just select I'm not sure. When it asks about your niche, you can always figure that out later. Then just breeze through the next couple of steps. You can skip most of them and go back to edit later. Tell Shopify where you live, and then it's time to create your account. Just use your email, and you're practically in. Shopify gives you a 3-day free trial, and after that, it's only $1 for the whole first month. Sign up with your email, fill in your details, and boom, you've got yourself a Shopify store. Of course, there's still some work to do to get your store ready to sell. But hey, you've already knocked out the hardest part. Check out my other video for a step-by-step guide to setting everything up and getting your store looking sharp. First, sign up for a Printify account and dive into their product selection, choosing the perfect canvas for your design. Next, create or upload your eye-catching artwork, ensuring it's high resolution and ready to print. Download mock-ups to visualize your product and make it irresistible to customers. Now, build your free online store using a platform like Ecwid, customizing the design and adding your product listings with detailed descriptions and variations. Connect your Printify and ESWide accounts for automated order fulfillment. Lastly, Market your products through engaging content on platforms like Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram, driving traffic to your store and generating sales. With dedication and a sprinkle of creativity, your print-on-demand business will be thriving in no time. To connect your Shopify store to Printify, start by logging into your Shopify account and navigating to the Shopify App Store. Search for Printify and click Add App. Once installed, you'll be prompted to log in or create a Printify account. After connecting your accounts, you can seamlessly add products from Printify's catalog to your Shopify store. Simply choose a product, customize it with your designs, and publish it to your shop. Printify will handle the printing and shipping while you focus on growing your business. So you've got your awesome print-on-demand store set up, but how do you actually get those sales rolling in? Well, this video gave some pretty interesting advice. Forget spending hours on complicated marketing strategies. They say the secret is pumping out tons of amazing designs. Think about it. The more designs you have, the more chances someone browsing on Amazon Merch or TeePublic stumbles across your work and says, "I need that on a t-shirt." But it's not just about quantity, it's about quality too. Make sure your designs are top-notch and targeted towards specific niches. Like if you're into gaming, create designs that gamers will love. That way, when they're searching for their next favorite hoodie, your design is right there waiting for them. And don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your designs across multiple platforms like Redbubble and Amazon Merch to reach even more people. Now, this flood the market with design strategy might not be for everyone. If you're looking for more ways to promote your store, there's always social media. Show off your designs, connect with potential customers, and build a community around your brand. Paid advertising can also help you reach a bigger audience. Or you can create awesome content like blog posts or videos to establish yourself as an expert in your niche. Don't forget about email marketing and influencer collaborations too. Ultimately, the best marketing mix depends on your goals and budget, so experiment and find what works best for you. Keep creating, stay consistent, and those sales will start coming your way.
Click the link in the description to get a 3-day free trial and your first month for just $1 using Shopify. And before you go, I want to let you know that I will share a free resource for everyone who actually wants to start a Shopify store and succeed with it. Simply subscribe to my channel and comment your email below. In this ebook, I gathered all tutorials for beginners and made them easy to understand and follow as much as possible. Click the link in the description to get a 3-day free trial and your first month for just $1 using Shopify. And before you go, I want to let you know that I will share a free resource for everyone who actually wants to start a Shopify store and succeed with it. Simply subscribe to my channel and comment your email below. In this ebook, I gathered all tutorials for beginners and made them easy to understand and follow as much as possible.